Hey babes! Welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing an unwrapping of my Wild University package that I received for becoming a member of the founding class. I'm super excited about joining the Wild University for planners, taking the different monthly majors and minor courses, and just revamping a lot of things in my life and my planners. Stay tuned so we can see what's inside. Okay, so this is the beautiful pouch that was inside of the rose gold packaging. It's really cute. It has the Wild University crest here, a bunch of cute little decals, and I'm excited to see what else is inside. So first and foremost, we have a Wild University composition book. This is super cute. It has the Wild University sticker here on the front, and it's a college ruled notebook to be able to take notes for the different courses. This is really cute. I actually had purchased one that I think I'm going to use instead of this, but I'll keep this on hand in case I need it in the future. Very cute. Quite a bit of stuff in here, actually. So there's also and this is my favorite color. This is like a magenta zebra pen. I'm not even familiar with this style, but I'm excited to try it and use it in my planners. Looks like a gel pen. I love that. And then also a magenta colored mouth liner. Very, very pretty. I feel like someone read my mind in knowing that this is my favorite color. Really nice. And then there's some wild washi tape. Really cute. Definitely will be using this in my planner as well as in my notebooks. Then of course we have to have stickers, and more stickers. So this is some Wild University stickers with the crest, with some different sayings, a llama. Very, very cute, very college-esque. And then we have this cute little fortune teller. I don't know if you remember when we were kids, you would fold the paper up and tell your fortune based on the letters and the numbers, but I guess they have one for the university as well. Really, really cute. This may be a part of like one of the classes or activities online. I'm not sure, but I will hold on to it to see. And then I also have, these super cute ultra tabs. So I have these actually in a couple of other designs. I do not have this version. These are really cute as well. Fits with page margin. So this helps you section off different parts of your planner or notebook. I love that. And then we also have some confetti here. I'm not going to open it, but it's definitely some confetti. And I will save this to celebrate when I finish my courses. I'm excited about that. Oh, and this is really beautiful too. So this is an enamel pen with the Wild University crest. Really, really beautiful. I definitely will be adding this to my planner lanyard. I love that. And then we also have some composition design tape. Really cute. It actually matches the composition book included in the package. And I really do love that. So I'm going to use that in a spread as well. And then we have this W lettering. I guess that could go on a jacket, shirt, planner bag, anything you wanted to add it to. It's really cute. It has the cute, fuzzy, soft design to it. Pretty purple color. I love that. And then we have a Wild founding member sticker. And this is the sticker I think I'm going to use on the front of the notebook that I pre-purchased for the classes. So I really do like it. I love the colors and the logo. And then, of course, you can't be a student without a student ID. So now I also have a student ID where I can put my name and year, and it mentions that I'm a founding member of Wild University. It's official. And then we also have this cute little postcard. It says you're accepted. It wouldn't be Wild U without you. Let's celebrate your new beginnings. 1, think about all you want to accomplish this year. 2, open the package of confetti. And 3, throw the confetti. You've got this. So I did say I'm going to save my confetti until I finish, but I do agree this is definitely worth celebrating because I'm excited about starting Wild University. And then I also received this cute, oh, and that actually is the back of the postcard. Very cute. And then last but not least, I received another small postcard that just says, thanks for enrolling in Wild University. Dear Tiffany, we are so glad to have you in our founding class. Welcome to Wild U. Llama Love, Team Wild. And that is my Wild University welcome kit. Super cute. I love each and every piece here. I definitely see myself using all of it. And I would keep you posted on my progress as I get through the different classes. If you joined the Wild University either as an annual member or a monthly member, let me know in the comments below. Let me also know what your thoughts are on the classes, the majors and minors for each month. And let's keep in touch. Let's keep each other motivated. And I will definitely let you know my progress as I get through the year as well. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll always be informed when we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!